Hello dear students, welcome back once again to this video tutorial. In today's video, we will be solving another sum from chapter 8, page number 262. Alright, so in the previous videos, I have discussed about the formula to calculate median and also the formula to calculate quartile, as well as some few sums to make it familiar, right? So in this question number 8, we are asked to calculate median value, the first quartile and the third quartile. So this sum is a little lengthy, but we will be using both the formulas here, the median formula as well as the quartile formula of continuous frequency distribution. Okay, so here if you look into question number 8, page number 262 in your textbook, the question says to calculate median, first quartile and third quartile from the following frequency distribution. So in order to save time, I've already written down the class interval frequency and the cumulative frequency. And I'm sure you all know how to make calculate CF. So you can just look into this table, and then I'm sure you will get to know how I have calculated it. All right. Okay. So in the question, we're asked to find out median. So let's start with median first. Okay. So here, median, we have to first find out the median class, right? So in median for discrete series, the one that we have calculated in the previous video, I wrote the median class as size of n plus 1 by 2, right? But for continuous series, to find out median class, it is size of n by 2. Okay, size of n by 2 item. Clear? Size of n by 2 item. So if you have doubt, you can also refer from the textbook. Clear? If you have any doubt, you can also refer from the textbook examples. It is given there. Example 7, example 8. You can just check out from the example as well. Okay, size of n by 2 item. So here, size of n by 2 item. So here, n is referring to the sum of the frequency here. So it is 40 by 2 item. So it will be 20th item. So for where are we supposed to look 20th item? In the cumulative frequency. So you see here, 14 is less than 20 and 20 is more than 25. 25 is, a 20 here, you will find it under 25, right? So let us just make a line here. All right. So now let's check out which one is our F, which one is our CF. Similarly, our I value and L1 value. Okay, so this is our F value. This is our what? CF value. This is our L1. And I value is 10. That is 150 minus 140. So let's write it down, in a very clear page. So here the median class is 140 150. Therefore, L1 is equal to 140. I is equal to 10, that is 150 minus 140. Your CF is equal to 14, correct? Your F value is equal to 11, and n by 2 is equal to 20. Now let's put all this in the formula. Okay, so here median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF by F into I. So L1 is 140 plus n by 2 is 20 minus our CF is 14 by F is 11 into I is 10. So here I'm going, 140 plus if you 20 minus 14 will be 6, right? 6 into 10 will be 60 by 11. If you divide it, you will get 140 plus 6 point, okay, 10, 60, 1, so 6.1, yeah, or 6.0 something. So you can just say, you can just take it as 6. Okay, so it will be 146. So this is our answer for the median value. Okay, so median is 146. Now we also have to calculate what? Q1. Okay, so let me just calculate it from here itself. Okay, so I'm just going to clear this up. I hope it's okay. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can just pause it and then you can watch again. Okay, wherever you have doubt. So I'm just going to clear this up, and after which now we're going to find out our Q1 value. Okay, all right. So how do we calculate Q1? You have to first find out the quartile class here as well, right? So for Q1, same here, okay? The size of n by 4 item. Okay, for quartile, you'll be looking, you'll be finding out n by 4. I think I told you that it shouldn't be n by 2 because in quartile you are distributing your, there's equal proportion in like 4 equal parts. So that is why denominator we take 4 and not 2. Clear? That is size of n by 4th item. So here n is 40 by 4. So here for 10th item. So here 10 lies here. Yes, so let's underline this one now. Let me just use different color. Okay, so here our CF will be this one, right? This will be our CF, and this will be our F. And similarly for our Q1 class will be 130 to 140. Okay, so let's write it down once again. Here, okay, so here the Q1 class, quartile class, is equal to 130 to 140. So therefore, our L1 will be 130, our I will be 10, that is 140 minus 130. Our CF will be 7, our F will be 7, and our n by 4 will be how much? We got 10, right? Yes. So this is our n by 4 value. Now let's put this in a formula. Okay, so how do we find Q1? Q1 is equal to L1 plus n by 4 minus CF by F into I. So L1 is equal to 130, n by 4 is 10, minus CF is 7, by F is 7, into I is 10. So here 130 plus 3 by 7 into 10. So it will be, if you multiply this 3, 10, 30, 30 by 7, it will be 130 plus 4 point something. Okay, so it's less than 5, so just let's take it 4 only. So it will be 130 plus 4 is 134. So this is our Q1 value. Okay, first quartile, that is 25% of it. Here it is 134. Now we are going to calculate our Q3 value. Okay, so till here, I hope you're clear with it. And again, if you are not sure of how to do it, you can just, rewind and you can watch again. Okay, so I'm going to clear this up once again. I hope you're following. If you have doubts, you can ask me during the online class. Clear? All right, so let's find the Q3 class here. Q3 class is size of 3n by 4 item. Okay, so here 3 into 10 by 4, so 30 by, I'm sorry, not 10. So 3 into what? N is 40, right? By 4. So we got 310. So you will get, you can just cut it down, 10, 30. 30th item. So where does this 30 lies? 30 lies here in 33, right? So we can just underline this once again. We can underline this. All right. So here again, this will be your F value. So this will be your F value. This will be your CF value. And 150 to 160 will be your Q3 class. So let's write it down again. Okay, so here Q3 class is what? 150 to 160. Therefore, our L1 will be 150, that is lower limit. Our I value will be 10, that is 160 minus 150. Our F value is 8. Our CF is 25. Our N by 4, that is 3n by 4, is equal to 30. That's what we calculated earlier. So let's put this all in the formula and let's solve it. Yeah? So the formula Q3 is L1 plus 3n by 4 minus CF by F into I. So here L1 is how much? 150. Plus 3n by 4, we got 30. Minus our CF is 25. By F is 8. Into I is 10. So here 150 plus 30 minus 5, 30 minus 25, 5. 5 into 10, 50. So we can just say 50 by 8. So approximately it will come around 8550, 8540, 8648. So it will be somewhat around 6.2, something like that. So you can just take 6 approximate. Okay, so it will be how much? 156. So this is our Q3 value. Okay, so with this we have come to the end of this chapter. Sorry, not this chapter, this question number 8. So I'll be giving some few assignments to do based on how to calculate median and quartile, because I've already shown you how to calculate it. So for you, the homework and the assignment will be question number 11. Okay, I'll be setting up the question in Google Classroom as well. But meanwhile, after you're done with question number 8, I want you to practice question number 11. Okay, just like in chapter 7 you did question number 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, like that, right? So even for this chapter as well, I want you to calculate question number 11. It's exactly the same here. We calculated median, first quartile, and third quartile. And even in question number 11, you're asked to calculate median, first quartile, and third quartile. And the frequency distribution, it is continuous frequency distribution. So it will be exactly like this. Clear? Alright, so with this we have come to the end of this tutorial. So take care and I'll see you all in the next